welcome to Geminibybri. My name is Bri. I am the owner of Geminibybri Hair Care Products, and in this video I'm going to be talking to you guys about my weight loss journey. So I want to explain to you guys how I went from this, beautiful right, to this. So pretty much, let me give y'all a little backstory on me. When I was 10 years old, 5th grade, I decided I wanted to start working out, building up my muscle. I was like, I need to get stronger to beat girls up. Yes, that was my mindset at that time. Because I was like, these girls are going to try me when I get older. Because, alright, y'all know dark-skinned girls, there's always something to say. People always want to fight. So, you know, I was like, you know what? I'm going into bigger grades. I need to be able to defend myself because I don't know if I could call my siblings. So, cool, fast forward, I started working out in 5th grade. I had DirecTV at the time, so we had a channel called Fit TV, and Fit TV pretty much had all the workouts, like from 8 o'clock in the morning till about 8 o'clock at night, and then after that it would just be like infomercials for the rest of the night. But Fit TV had the workouts, so they had Get Fit with Sharon Man, that was my sis. Total Body Sculpt with Galads. Mom, son, I love Galad so much, so much.
All-Star Workouts is the other show. I made a mistake.
And then we had Namaste Yoga, we had Shimmy, and we had like a lot of other shows, but some of them was my cup of tea. So what I would do is, depending on what time of day it was, because your girl would work out. Like at one point I was working out probably like in the morning and in the afternoon. That's how bored I was sometimes when I had nothing to do. So, you know, it was weird. I thought I was gonna be like a fitness instructor or something, but life has changed. So I started with those little series on the TV for years, 4 years, because I wasn't paying no gym membership. I had no money for a gym membership. So what was my outlet? TV, the free TV. So I did those for a minute. Fast forward, I stopped. Because everybody stops. Because sixth grade, I do remember getting fat. I was fat. I wasn't fat, but I was like on the fat scale. But whatever. Fast forward to high school. I never really liked pictures like that, whatever the case is. Then fast forward. I don't know how old I was in this picture. I think I was about 20 years old is when like I really put on weight. And when I say really put on weight, I mean I really put on weight. The weight in this picture right here. So but I still felt cute. Like I didn't feel different. I felt fine, a little insecure, but I was still that bitch. So it didn't really bother me that much. And then out of nowhere, when I was 21 and I was in college, I had a job at this Italian place. Story time coming on that soon. It was Italian food, so I'm around pasta 24/7. So what am I gonna do? Eat the pasta. I ate all types of pastas, all types of cheese, all types of salad mixes with so many things in them. Like I ate a lot. So once I realized like, oh, I'm eating this food like every single day, and like that's contributing to my weight because you know bread holds water, and I realized that. So I put two and two together. So once I quit that job, I started eating differently. More fruits like in the morning time. Well, I can always say when I was in college, like certain days when I had my morning classes, I knew my gaps would be like decent enough for me to walk to the other building, and I could go stop at Target to get some fruits and you know have my little like in the morning time. Okay, that was like one of my meals for the morning. My breakfast religiously: bottle of water, container. And I say container, I mean this big of pineapples. Because you know pineapples is good for the digestion. It crushes all of that, gets all that bad stuff out of you. And that was good for my breakfast. Like I had no issues. If I wanted to be extra fancy, I would add a yogurt. But the big pack of pineapple spears in Target were perfect. So that was like my little breakfast. Sometimes I'd buy halal food if I felt like it, but you know, that's a different story. So that too, like halal food good too. But anyways, that's a different story. So once I quit that job and I started doing that, what I started doing was eating more fish in my diet. I was eating more, I was cooking then because I was still at home. But I would always kind of go to one of my restaurants up the block and get me either like a fish meal or curry goat. And those are the only two things I eat outside from like those places, because everybody don't cook everything nice, and I don't got time to be disappointed in my food. So I rather just pick the right person. So 2018, midway there, like people started noticing I'm losing weight, and I was really losing weight. Like I noticed, but I didn't notice until like a little while longer, and then I really noticed. I was like, oh, you went down, like, you know. But what else can I say? We'll backtrack a little bit. Before this Italian job I had, I worked at a salad place, and I was working out doing Pilates, which is Blogilates on YouTube. I love Casey. She's the bomb. I bought her Pit 28 series. I bought all 3 of them. I have not used the other 2. I used the first one, but my knees is not built for it. Like, I don't know how them people was doing it, because I did it like the first 2 weeks and my knees could not survive, so I had to stop. Like, I felt like my knees were going to break, so I had to stop. And it's a lot of knee work, so if you do pit, just know it's a lot of knee work, and knee work hurts. If I didn't have no knee brace or nothing, so I wasn't gonna strain my knees and do that to it. She also gives meal plans and stuff. When I would do her little YouTube videos, do that so much. And this is when I was in high school, so I was still like big, skinny, slim, skinny. Like, I'm 5'9", so my weight is spread out through my body. It doesn't look like I am 160 pounds. It looks like I am less. So it's like, okay, I'm the right weight for my height, or maybe a little overweight or whatever. But for the most part, I was where I needed to be. Even back then, when I was in high school, I wore 180, 190, and people thought I was 140. I was like, I wish so much. I'm not at all. So, you know, like, that was a little nice little judge to say, like, oh, okay, so you're not as big as you think you are, but you are big. What people see and what you are is not what you see and what you get. So, you know, you gotta just keep that in your mind sometimes. How I would eat. I did have times where I would just buy like mad fruits, mad vegetables. I did even eat some vegan stuff too, like Morningstar. They had these black bean burgers, chickpea spicy chicken patties that taste so good, and you wouldn't even know it was vegan. Like, I was eating them, but Morningstar a little expensive for me to be spending that much all the time, so you know, I had to like fall off of that because it wasn't about to happen. But for the most part, Morningstar do have some good foods and stuff. So after I stopped doing the knee work and stuff, like, I would do certain other ones. But it's funny to me because, like, out of nowhere, like, I stopped working out. Like, I lost the momentum to work out, and I didn't want to do it anymore. So I use the stairs to my advantage. A few ways for me to stay active, like, at all times, and while I was always on the move and everything, because I'm a fast walker. I walk fast, read fast, speak fast, do everything fast, only because why wait? But I be taking my time sometimes because I'll be too fast, and then you be like, what? And I'll be like, and I'm like, now I gotta repeat myself because you didn't hear me the first time. So what I would do is, whenever you y'all ever been on Broadway Junction staircase? Like, I woke upstairs, all stairs. Like, I take the escalator, but I'd walk up all the stairs. Like, seriously, like, I'd walk it up. Like, all right, if you've ever been to Broadway Junction, them escalators is long. Oh, long and disgusting. Like, I could never. But I'm gonna walk up them escalator. Jersey, if you've ever been to Exchange Place train station, PATH train station, and you see all them damn stairs. Oh my, try running down them stairs or going up them stairs trying to catch the ferry or the PATH train. You will be out of breath, okay? So I will always walk up anywhere. Like, I was walking, it doesn't matter. I don't stand still for nothing, only when I need to. If not, I'm gonna move. So for the most part, it was a lot of movements, a lot of activeness, and I was, you know, making sure I'm good to go. And then what else was it? Vitamins. Make sure you take your vitamins. I'm anemic, so my weight was fluctuating when I was younger, and I had no idea because when I was like 13 and my hair had fell out. This whole story time about my hair falling out, my anemia, is in my Why I Cut My Hair story, so go watch that if you would like to know more. Back then when my hair fell out, I was eating a lot. I was eating crazy. Like when I say pizza, Chinese food, McDonald's, home cooked food, like I'm eating crazy, and the weight was just not there. Like there was no weight showing for nothing. Like I had the same pants. I could fit the same pants for a long time too. So it was like, where's the weight? Like where is it going? What's going on? I had my little breaks where I would stop working out and start working out again, and then stuff like that. When I noticed my weight was like down was probably 2019, and like my clothes was too big on me, and now they're filling out again. So it just be like the seasons, I'm guessing. I do want to say is when you are on the big side or the fat side or whatever you want to say for yourself to make, you know, just for you, it's for you. It's not for hurting anybody else. You can tell yourself you're fat. You're fat. It's okay. You love yourself either way. But for those people out there that want to lose weight and this and the fourth, lose weight for yourself. Do not lose weight for nobody else, because you won't be happy. Another thing is, when you do lose weight, there will be comments. Oh my god, you lost so much weight. Oh my god, you lost so much weight. Oh my god. Like over and over and over again. Do not let anybody tell you anything differently, because you won't be happy if you don't lose it for anyone but yourself. 2, what I can suggest, eat more fish. If you get nauseous off fish, then don't overdo yourself, but eat a little bit of shrimp, eat a little bit of fish. Is not gonna hurt. More vegetables, home cooked food is way better. Stop buying some of these store stuff. Another thing is, I stopped eating all fast food. I stopped drinking a lot of sodas. Like I will only drink Sprite, ginger ale, and water. Fruit juice time to time. Well, I drink fruit juice more too. So fruit juice, ginger ale, and Sprite. Those are the only drinks I do not drink anything colored, anything food coloring. It just it don't entice me. Food poisoning vibes give me those vibes. I don't do it. Cooking food, I rather cook my own food. But when I need to get something to eat, I try not to get fast food. But if I need to, I just get it and call it a day. But it's not gonna be it's not gonna kill me if I don't get fast food instead of just cooking something. Just monitor what you eat. That's all I can say. We help. We sure did help. So if you are a smoker, then roll up. But if you are not, then don't smoke unless you want to. Do these things for yourself, not because of other people. Another thing is patience, girl. Patience. Because if you want fast results, just do the Pilates. Go on Blogger Lottie page, do like 3 of her videos a day. She got calendars and stuff. You could sign up, get the free monthly calendar, follow the calendar for the month. She got leg day, thigh day, butt day, back day, arm day, head day, everything, rest day, everything. So if you want to, you can surely follow that program. You can see results in a month. I got strong off Pilates was like 2 to 3 weeks, and like that was off of me not working out for years and me doing a little bit of workouts every day. 2 weeks later, I was able to do like the whole workout video, like any workout video and any like position and stuff without being in too much pain. So keep that in mind when you do want to do Pilates. I also recommend doing yoga just to get these bones moving. I've been doing yoga a lot recently, and I've noticed like I'm super flexible already, and so I'm here for it. I'm gonna keep it up because I don't want to stop now. I'm trying to perfect the split. Did I start testing it out yet? Yes. And can I hit it? No. Not again. The last time I hit a split, I was in 6th grade. It was the last day of school. Yes, I remember. It was the last day of school, 6th grade, and I dropped down to the split. And that was the last time I could ever do a split. Like, oh my God. But we're working on it. We want to get back there. So that's my next goal in a second. Yay. What else am I saying? Don't be hard on yourself if you feel like you're not the size society wants you to be. Because I'm still not the size society wants me to be and I'm like, seriously. So don't be hard on yourself. Don't be hard on yourself. It's okay. I can also say during this quarantine, I've gained weight, but does it show? Hell no. Thank you, Father God, because wow, I was wilding. I sure was eating all types of foods all the time. Like, anyways, all the ice cream I eat, and I eat ice cream faithfully, like that's my man, faithfully. Ice cream every night. So imagine, and I see them in my thighs a little bit, but it's not in my stomach, and I'm happy about that. So just keep that in mind. But do what works for you. I have included juicing in my regimen as well now, so energy's a little better, everything is just moving better. So do these things to get you moving in the right direction. Eat better, cook more food, eat more vegetables, seafood. When you do your chicken and stuff, try to just be creative, because you could be creative with chicken and you could really make stuff happen. With your juicing, be creative as well. If you do get nauseous from it, either like take your time when you're drinking or switch up certain stuff. What else? Build up that immune system, because this corona is not playing. And take it one day at a time. You will not see results tomorrow, but you will feel better. Okay? So I do hope you guys enjoyed this video. Once again, I went from this to this, and like, I look good. Like, this is crazy. So it's good. I feel good. I'm happy about it. Like, I'm happy it's not a weight on my shoulder where I'm like, oh my god, I'm fat and everybody's staring at me, and it's like uncomfortable. Nah, when I walk into the room, everybody gonna look and they gonna see and they go like, damn, yep, that's right, Sam Zaniel. Like, do not be one of these people doing that military diet. Don't be doing them little weird crash course diets where they be telling you lose 10 pounds in 3 days. You're going to put it right back on. You're only losing water, and you're going to put it right back on the minute you stop. Like, the 3-day military diet, don't do it. I thought about doing it. I read it, and I was like, it's either they want me to lose weight or be angry, because it doesn't sit right with me. I got to eat this little bit of food. Like, no. Then you got the keto. I didn't even look, because I don't care. Y'all not about to set me up with this. And then cabbage soup and stuff like that. Like, any of them little lose 10 pounds in 3 days. Do not believe them. It's you're only losing water. Literally, you're only losing water weight. Whatever is inside is still there. Once you stop, you're back. As soon as you drink something, the weight's back. Like, don't listen to them. They could tell you lost 10 pounds in 3 days or 7 pounds in 3 days, and you only lost water weight. So I say stay clear from those. Don't, because they will mess up your head. I was one of them kids looking through military diet, looking through cabbage soup, looking through ways to lose weight fast in 3 days, in 2 days, in 2 minutes. But it's not worth it. Like, it's not. It's just gonna mess your head up and have you bulimic before you could blink. So don't even do that. But I do hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, share, subscribe. If you have any questions, please ask me in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you to the best of my abilities. And I hope to see you guys in the next one.